Hi friends, my name is Rohan Vasudev. In the last session, we spoke about UI Canvas in Unity. In this session, we are going to talk about UI text in Unity. So what is UI text in Unity? Very simple. It displays a piece of information or a text to the user, which is generally non-interactive. So this information can be a score, a health, number of coins, etc., which are generally displayed using UI text in the game or in a scene. UI text component is attached to a game object. This means when you create a UI text component, a game object is created to which UI text component is attached to. Now there are some of properties for a text element, UI text element. These are font. Font is used by the text, the font that is used by the text, the font size, which specifies the size of the font style, styling or the style that is used by the text. Text is the value the text component displays. Line spacing is specifies font line height, and alignment is positioning of the text middle, center, top, bottom. Okay, now let's get into the Unity editor and let's create a UI text element inside Unity. Okay guys, so I am in the Unity editor, and to create UI text, it's similar to how we created Unity Canvas. Right click on the UI scene here and go to game object and select UI and select your text element here, and here it is, your text is created, so we can see text on the screen over here. So this is a text game object here, which will have a rect transform here, which is editable. We can modify the position to it. Now text game object will have component text attached to it. Now you can see here, this is where we can put in the text. Okay, so right now it's new text, so let's put a long text here. This, let's try to change it so that we can see the entire content. Font style is normal. We can change it to bold, and italic. So let's change it to bold here. Then we can increase or decrease the font size. So let's change it to 18 here. Okay, so it's become bigger now. In the paragraph, this is alignment where we can align the text basically. Let's keep it in the center. This rectangle that you can see here is the rect transform for the text box. Then we have horizontal overflow here. We have a long text and we are not able to view the text, the entire text. So right now it's a wrap. We can change it to overflow, but still we are not able to see. So what we can do is we can click here and increase the rect transform for the text. Let's keep this wrap here and let's increase this. Okay, let's increase this according to our text. Let's change the text color here. Let's keep it to red. Here it is. So that's it guys. Thank you for the session. In the next session, we'll be talking about UI image component in Unity. Thank you so much.